I just got this brand new tri-fold 3-inch memory foam mattress. Check it out. This tri-fold memory foam mattress is an absolute game changer. Before I get into the features of it, the reason I specifically bought it is I was doing product research looking for a tri-fold memory foam mattress. And excuse me, this is selling over 1,000 every month right now, and it currently has over 600 4.5 to 5-star written reviews. People are raving about this thing. So I knew when I bought it, I wasn't gonna have to worry about returning it. This thing is very nice. I love just sitting on it, to be honest with you. So when you have it into that trifold vibe, you're basically getting 3/6. It's essentially 9 inches of support right here. I mean, it feels super good, but look how lightweight it is. Boom. Now, it's a mattress, right? Whether it's a mattress topper or a mattress, this thing's amazing. Maybe you're camping, RV, or you just need some extra stuff. People are coming over to visit. You never know, and you want to be prepared. Dude, glory to God.